Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Computation of median. Individual series. The items in the series are arranged in ascending or descending order. Median is the value of n plus 1 by 2th item, that is the item corresponding to the n plus 2th item, where n is the number of items. This is illustrated by the following example. Find the median of marks 3, 11, 6, 8, 13, 16, 15, 20. So we arrange the numbers in ascending order: 3, 6, 8, 11, 13, 15, 16, 20. Here n is equal to 8, that is an even number. So median is the average of n by 2 the terms and the next item. So the average of 8 by 2, that is 4th term, and next term 5th term. So the average of 4th and 5th term, that is 4th term is 11, 5th term is 13. So 11 plus 13 by 2 is equal to 12. Discrete series. Discrete series contains discrete variable. Discrete variable refers to the characteristics which cannot be expressed in fractions. For example, number of persons in a room, the number of persons cannot be a fraction, while continuous variable is like weight or height of person. Simple frequency distribution. Cumulative frequency is calculated. Now the value of the variable corresponding to the cumulative frequency n plus 1 by 2 give the median, where n is the total frequency. Computation of media. This is demonstrated by the following example. The table shows the frequency distribution of so here media is equal to value of n plus 1 by 2th term, that is 120. 120 is the cumulative frequency as shown in the next table. So that comes to 120 plus 1, that is 121 by 2, that is 60.5th term. So from the last column it is found that 60.5 is greater than the cumulative frequency 55, but less than the cumulative frequency 86, corresponding to x is equal to 5. All the 31 items from 56 to 86 have the same variate 5, and 60.5th term item is also one of these 31 items. So the median is 5. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.